Hi, I am Dr. Sheila Sapp, and I know it's been a while since you've seen me. I am an educational consultant with over 30 years experience, and I do plan on coming back with some new and exciting activities. Over here, I have pictures of some of the books that I have written. And these books contain different activities, techniques, and suggestions for parents and grandparents and homeschoolers to use with their children. So, spring is right around the corner, and I will be back. And I really do appreciate the support that I've gotten from some of my subscribers. And I'm hoping that other people will be joining me. And already I'm planning some different ways to present content to you, some ways that'll be easy for you to do and also follow. And again, I'm Sheila Sapp of Sheila E Cares. And as always, I care about children and parents and teachers, homeschoolers, and school leaders. So you take care and be safe. And don't forget, Sheila E cares, and I will be back. Bye.